go through today's ingredients. Here I have 1 cup of grated pumpkin, yellow pumpkin or bhopla. Then we're going to need about 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of jaggery or ghee, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg or za'atar, and half a teaspoon of saunf or fennel seeds, around 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. So we're going to heat a pan and then we're going to add this ghee and let the ghee heat up on a low to medium flame. Then we're going to be adding this grated pumpkin and we're going to fry it for a while in the ghee. Now I'm going to be adding the grated ghee or jaggery, and we're going to stir and mix this till all of this ghee or jaggery dissolves. You can keep stirring this. You're going to add a pinch of salt. Whenever you make a sweet dish, if you add a pinch of salt, it just elevates the flavor of that particular dish. So we're going to continue frying this till all of the jaggery or the ghee dissolves. Now, if you're able to get your hands on pumpkin puree, you can use ready-made pumpkin puree too for this recipe instead of grating the pumpkin. Now we're going to add this za'atar or nutmeg powder along with the fennel seeds and saunf. The fennel seeds also add a lovely flavor to this recipe. Now we're going to continue frying this till a little bit of the moisture goes away and it becomes into a semi-solid mixture. Now we're going to turn off the heat and completely cool down this mixture to room temperature. Then we're going to be adding the whole wheat flour and mixing everything well. And then we're going to knead this into a stiff yet smooth dough, similar like you would do for making puris. It doesn't have to be a soft dough like you would for chapatis or puris. It has to be more on the stiffer side. So you can add a little more whole wheat flour accordingly. 1 cup suffices, and then we're just going to knead it and cover it and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now after 15 to 20 minutes, once our dough is all ready, we're going to make the dough into small even sized balls. And then we're going to roll them out into very small puris. They have to be little on the thicker side. They don't have to be very thin. And they can be nice and round, so you can just shape them likewise. They just have to be just like how we make puris. They don't have to be very thin. They have to be more on the little thicker side. That way they will fluff up well and have this nice crispy texture. So roll them out, or roll as many as you would like to fry. You can keep the dough for about a day or two in the refrigerator. And then we're just going to deep fry them like we would with puris. Now I always like to deep fry on a low to medium flame, not on a very high flame. So your oil should not be smoking hot. And see that it nicely fluffs up. And in this way, we're going to fry all the puris till they're nice and golden brown in color and drain off the excess oil on a kitchen tissue or a kitchen napkin. And these really taste delicious all by themselves. Besides this recipe, be sure to check my other 2 Navratri special recipes. One is a Keshari Shira and yesterday I had put up gulab jam or gulab jamun. I will leave the links to both these recipes in my description box, so be sure to go and check it out.
Everyone, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you give it a try, and if you liked it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Akshata's Recipes by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below this video, and once you have subscribed, click the bell so every time I put up a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!